Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Vanguard error when 1067 an unexpected error with Vanguard has occurred and the client will now close in League of Legends game. So if you're getting this error in League of Legends game, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to uninstall Bonjour app and National Instrument software from your PC. National Instrument software is this one. This is the National Instrument software. If you have installed this software on your PC, then uninstall it. So in Windows search, type control panel and open it. Then click on uninstall a program. Now here look for National Instrument and then right click on it and then click on uninstall to uninstall it. And then also look for Bonjour app. Right click on it and then click on uninstall and then click on yes to confirm and uninstall it. And after uninstalling both the program, Bonjour app as well as National Instrument software from your PC, then you can restart your PC once and then you can go ahead and launch the League of Legends game and check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If still your problem is not solved, then you can use the CMD codes to fix the issue. So in Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, you have to just copy this code and then paste it one by one and hit enter. You can copy this code from my video description. I have mentioned this code in my video description. Now in order to complete the process, you have to just restart your computer. So close this command prompt, then just restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is by starting the VGC and VGK services using the CMD. So again in Windows search, type CMD and run command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, type this code one by one and hit enter. You can copy and paste this code from my video description. Now close this command prompt and then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then go ahead and launch League of Legends game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix Vanguard error when 1067 an unexpected error with the Vanguard has occurred and the client will now close in League of Legends game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.